Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called transmission system. In that, particularly the part called the clutches. So in the last video, we have discussed about the what are the components of in the transmission system, then what is the clutch, and then what are the major function of the clutches, right? Yes, we know the clutches are playing a major role for to connect and disconnect the power from the engine to the transmission system, that is transmission system. So that in that clutch we have another functions like include it disengage and engage the engine to the transmission system, and then release engine from transmission during gear shift. Yes, while engaging the clutches, then we can easily change the gear, so with disconnecting the engine power to the transmission system. So these are the major function, and then this is transmission system, the components we have the engine, and then a transmission, and then shift lever, and then propeller shaft, and finally differential gear. And then yes, generally we termed as a differential unit. In that we have so many gears called ground gear, and then we have so many smaller gears for the to change the speed of the rear wheels. So yes, the differential unit plays the major role for to run the rear wheel in the different speed in the each wheel, so that we can easily turn the vehicle in the turning, or we can run the wheel with a different speed. So for that case, the differential plays a major role. And then for the clutch, particularly in this video we are discussing about the clutch. In that we have a number of components, the major components called flywheel, and then clutch disc, and then clutch cover, and then one more we have called the pressure plate. In that the flywheel is the connected to the engine output and then input of the clutch, so that while pressing the clutch pedal, it connects and disconnects the engine to the transmission system, so that the clutch plays a major role in the transmission unit. And then what are the principles of working for the clutch? So when two surfaces are brought in contact and then held against each other due to friction between them, and then they can be used to transmit power. Yes, we know while pressing the yes, I'm just moving to this. Yeah, good. So here see here, we while pressing the clutch pedal, so what will happen, the transmission, that is the engine is disconnected from the transmission unit. So that is what it tells. So while pressing the clutch pedal, it disconnect the engine power from the transmission, so that we can easily change the gear with in very smooth manner. So that is if one is rotated and then other also rotated. Yes, in the clutch we have a number of plates, and then each the rotating component, and while one is rotated, and then another and then remaining component remaining the components will start to rotate, and then one surface is connected to engine and then other to the transmission system of automobile. Yes, that is the one surface, that is we can call it as the flywheel is one end is connected to the engine in order to receive the power from the engine during the combustion process, and then another one is connected to the transmission system to transfer the power from engine to the transmission. And the clutch is nothing but a combination of two friction surfaces. Yes, that is we have discussed. So this is the general generic working principle of the clutch, how the clutch is connecting to the transmission, that is connect the engine to the transmission, and then disconnect the engine to the transmission. And then with that we have a number of types in the clutch based on its construction and then working mechanism. So generally we have cone clutch, and then single plate clutch, and then multi plate clutch, then centrifugal clutch, and then semi-centrifugal clutch. So these are the major uh, classification in the category of gradual engagement clutch. And these clutches are also called as a dry clutch. Without there is no fluid medium is placed in between them. And then another one is the next positive clutch, and then hydraulic clutch, then vacuum clutch, and then electromagnetic clutch. So these are the other type of clutches that is in the clutch. For that we can use for our desired outcome, and then desired the what is called desired or the requirement, so that the clutch are varied based on our requirement. Thank you.